Welcome to the rice fields, mother.
Drop it.
All right, you clicked this video because you're old like me and blind and cannot see at night. So we're going to upgrade our headlight. This is for the 2014-15 Honda Grom. And this is my Wicked Grom's plug and play, you know, fancy LED kit. It's gonna come with a harness. This actually has my flasher module plus the AC DC adapter. So, I mean, if you don't have the module, you're just gonna have a littler adapter that has this yellow wire. This is used to convert your harness on an OG. It's AC, alternating current, for your headlight. That's probably why you see it when you rev it, it gets brighter. When you're idling, it's flickering, blah, blah, blah. This is going to take your power from your taillight and convert your headlight to DC, direct current, and turn the key, headlights on, solid power, no flickering. That will allow you to run these bulbs. This is a bulb that I have created for Wicked Grom. It is specially designed for halogen headlights. As you can see, the filaments are a little offset, so they actually match up or pair to the halogen filaments, LED chipsets, I should say. They're matched to the halogen filaments of a bulb, so it produces less glare. There's virtually no glare, and it actually throws light further down the road while keeping the same beam pattern. It's just way better and it's way brighter. And having that harness will allow you to run these. You can run your own bulbs if you want. You can run HIDs, pretty much anything that's not a halogen headlight. So we're going to get started. Actually, before we start, my website is linked in the description if you're looking for parts. This headlight kit, it comes with the bulb and the harness. Lifetime warranty. You'll never have to buy a bulb again. I have used parts, new parts, whatever. So I'm going to mount the camera and we're going to get started on this video. So you're going to want to locate your taillight. This works, my harness works on any taillight that has OEM connectors. So your Amazon cheapies. I've actually had one not work with this. I couldn't tell you which one, but 99% of all taillights that use these connectors will work. If yours is still mounted on the frame, there's actually a little tab back here you push in, and then this will slide off the frame like so. And then we can lift this tab up, pull it apart. My kits are all plug and play. Like I said, this has the has the flash module, so your brake light will pulsate when you hit the brakes for a little bit before staying solid. If you don't have that option, you obviously won't have this black box. You will just have a shorter plug with just your, as it's caught, wire. So we're going to plug this in like so. And this will just get tucked in here. You can zip tie it. You can do whatever you want. We'll do that after. Next thing is this wire is going to go to the yellow wire that is on your rectifier. So to get the rectifier off, we're going to have to take this 10mm bolt and these two 10mm bolts, and we can get it off. Now your rectifier is free. We can pull this back. It's just going to slide down your wire. Get it out of the way. And we're going to unplug this. Just push this down and pull. Like so. Throw this away. Oh, just kidding. We're going to want to depin this yellow wire. This is what goes to your headlight. You can see the pin right there that we got to push in. So you take a little flathead screwdriver, and you'll see that it's hard to get on camera. There's a little, you can kind of see it in the middle one. There's a little slot that your screwdriver goes in. You want to push your screwdriver in. It's going to push that pin down. You'll hear it click. And then you can literally just pull this wire out like this. So now that this is out, what I do is run this wire. Now that this wire is out, we're going to connect it to the yellow wire on our harness. But before we do that, the kit will include a piece of heat shrink. So we'll get that. We're going to slide our heat shrink on like so. Slide your yellow wire pin into the wire that you pulled out of your rectifier. You're going to slide your heat shrink over like so, and then either a heat gun or a lighter. So now that this is all done, we can plug in our rectifier. This is going to be hot if you had used a heat gun. Slide our boot back up, and then we can remount our rectifier back to where it was. Put our brake reservoir back. Stuff all our wires. All right, this is done. Now we can move to the headlight. So it's completely replacement, plug and play. Obviously this headlight's already off. I already got the old bolt out, or bulb out. Just put the new bulb in. Easy peasy lemon squeezy like so. Put the clip back down. Make sure it's locked in place. Obviously the bulb only goes one way because of the tabs. And then we can put the sealing gasket back on. Like so. Your headlight remains sealed. Your bulb is installed. And we can get it in the bike. So obviously if you knew how to take the headlight off, you know how to put it on. But literally plugs right in. It is a factory replacement, and well worth it. Plug your signals back in. And then we're going to mount the light. And just so the record, this bike only came with 2 bolts. So no fancy comments in the comment section saying, "You forgot 2 bolts, Mike." Headlights mounted. Let's take this outside and see what it can do. All right, that is the end of the video. I hope this helped you guys. The kit we used, I'll have linked in the description. It's the kit that I sell on my website. It has a lifetime warranty, so you will never have to buy a bulb again. It's a great bulb. It's super bright, and it comes with a harness. You can have it, like I said before, with the brake flasher or without the brake flasher. I get it with it. It's just an extra safety thing, but I'm old, so don't have to listen to me. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped. Leave some comments down below, like, dislike, do whatever you got to do. I have these hats. If anyone wants a hat, I can get some more made, but I just got them for me for now. But anyways, thank you guys for watching as I make you dizzy, and I will see you in the next video. Later.